Silence. Is that a command or a description? Hi, I'm Peter Kirwan, and I'm editing The Winter's Tale for the Arden Shakespeare Fourth Series, and this is my Folio Matters. Printed texts of early modern drama have a problem with silence. The things that the text represent are noise and action, the dialogue, the stage directions that privilege the characters who are saying or doing something. But those moments of dramatic pause, moments where there is a silence that might allow reflection or digestion of something significant, the moments where the people who aren't speaking in the text react, if they ever even existed, are never textually represented. Unless they are. In pretty much every modern edition of The Winter's Tale, at the start of Hermione's trial in Act 3, Scene 2, an officer reads the indictment and then calls for silence as Hermione enters. It's an instruction, either to the assembled audience or to Hermione herself, to respect the authority of the court. But in the folio text, the word is clearly represented as a stage direction. It's italicized, set off to the side, and thus for the only time in Shakespeare's work seems to describe a silence that might not be mandated by an official, but which represents the honest, collective, instinctive reaction to the first appearance of the abused queen following the birth and banishment of her child. This is, I think, a moment of pageantry similar to Queen Katherine's entrance to her trial in Henry VIII, during which there's a long description of movement but no dialogue, privileging the visual spectacle of her entrance with no words to detract from it. In my text of Winter's Tale, then, I want to restore the folio's unique instruction for an onstage silence, to create that pause, to allow space to reflect on and digest the impact of this abused woman's fatal